Good day everyone. I'm Greto and I'm here to talk about prostitution which causes sex tourism in the Philippines. But first, I wanted to think of our country and appreciate how beautiful it is. It is a gorgeous country, isn't it? But did you know that there are an estimated count of 800,000 women working as prostitutes, with some of them believed to be underage? And did you know that our country, the Republic of the Philippines, is the third most visited country by the tourists just for sex services? Why do these things happen, you ask? Give me a couple of minutes and I will tell you some reasons why. First reason is that there are lots of clubs, brothels, and gay TVs everywhere. Yes, it is almost everywhere in the country. Not mainly in the capital, but there are high incidents of prostitution in some cities, like Angeles City and Olongapo. Women are sold in very low prices. That's why their customers are mostly foreigners. Which brings us to our reason number 2, sex tourism. What is sex tourism? It is the travel to engage in sexual activity with prostitutes with an exchange of low amount of money. Many people are aware of what it is, how it occurs, but seems like they don't know what the effects of this. Filipinas are stereotyped by other races nowadays. The perception of our country from other countries is ruined. Women are disrespected mainly because of the thought that all Filipinas are selling their bodies. It is sad, but it is true. Some laws are made to resolve this problem, but they are not enough to stop these people from doing such. I want you to help. You can help, we can help. We should stand against prostitution and sex tourism, for these have nothing good to do for our country and for our dignity. We need to respect ourselves before expecting others to respect us. I want you to move, help, and witness our country's improvement. That's all. Thank you.